Hi, my name is Jo Earl and I lead the Global Marketing Excellence Agenda at Sanofi. At the beginning of last year, we recognised that we had a huge burning platform, which was to upskill our marketing community in key areas of digital transformation. A couple of reasons. Having worked in the industry, I recognise that Circus Street are amongst the very best to partner with. Their programme is exceptional, the content is fantastic, and it really drives greater knowledge and confidence in all aspects of digital, as well as helping marketeers to understand better how to use and apply the thinking in their day job. So we actually started partnering with Circus Street last year. We approached them back in August and we had a very rapid start and launched the programme globally in November. So we've set a number of key objectives for the programme, and first off we want to increase people's confidence and competence within the whole arena of digital transformation. We want to encourage better dialogue both internally within marketing teams and cross-functional teams and also with our agency partners. And we also want to encourage and foster a test and learn culture. So they're the key objectives, and to date we've had really phenomenal results. So we've actually used a number of techniques to encourage our marketeers to engage with the Circus Street programme. First off, we ran cross-functional workshops to help people to understand the burning platform that existed within the business and the role and the value of the Circus Street programme. We have MEX leads across the organisation that help to drive and land the programme within the marketing communities, and we also have a network of 120 MEX champions. And their role is to make sure that people are engaged with the content and also that they're running workshops for the marketing community to land and drive the engagement on the ground in people's day jobs. So approximately 3,000 people have actually signed up to the programme. We've got about a 30% track record at the moment of people that are actually actively engaging with the content. We've seen an uplift in skills and knowledge of about 45%, and we've had really impressive and phenomenal results to date in just 8 short weeks since launch.